Hello and namaste everyone. Myself Jeevan Gamali, mathematics facilitator of Vishwa boarding school. I want to welcome you all to our digital classes. I hope you watched my last video and liked it. Today also I am presented here with new topics. Sorry, the topics is same, but new examples and new illustration to the topics line and angle. On the last two videos we discussed about some angles formed when two lines are intersected to each other, when two parallel lines is intersected by a transversal. Different kind of forms angles are formed, and what is the relation between those angles so formed. So today we'll use that concept of that angles to illustrate some examples here. Let us go from the first example number 1. Look, you can see here AB. There are many lines. AB is a line, CD is another line, and EF is another line, and GH is another line. And you can see that these four lines are intersected each other. Four lines are intersected to each other. I have told about the concept of angles formed when two lines is parallel lines is intersected by a transversal. Here you can see line CD has intersected the lines EF and GH. Okay, so different angles are formed here. A1 is A, another is given angle. This angle is given 105 degree. This is A. We have to find out the value of A, B, and C. Okay, to find the value of A, let us analyze the figure. Geometry is all about analyzing the figures. So A and 105. CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line, and A and 105 is formed in a point of that straight line. So A and 105 forms an straight line. So what is the sum of straight angles relation? Their sum is 180 degrees. So A degree plus 105 degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason is being straight angle, straight angles. STRAIGS straight angles. Being straight angle, A plus 105, these are two straight angles. So A is equal to 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105 will be equal to 75 degree. Therefore the value of A is 75 degree. Now we have to find out the value of B also. For that you can see EF and GH is a parallel line and CD is transversal. CD is a transversal. So A degree and B degree are the both interior angle formed on the same side of the transversal. Transversal को same side में बनेको दुईटा interior angles हरुलाई हामीले के कस्तो angle भन्छौं? Co-interior angles. And sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degrees. Sum of co-interior angles. Okay, again you can see sum of A and B should be equal to 180 degree. A plus B should be equal to 180 degree. Reason is being co-interior angle. Interior angle. So we know the value of A from this part of the solution. A is equal to 75 degrees. So we can put 75 plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So B is equal to 180 minus 75. So B is equal to 105 degree. Or you can simply write B is equal to 105 degree also, because one is interior and the next one is exterior angle on the same side. These are the corresponding angles. So directly you can write B is equal to 105 also, and this process is also okay. Now finally to find the value of C, we have to find out the value of C. You can see here CD and AB are the parallel lines. CD and AB are the parallel lines, and GH is a transversal. GH is a transversal. So transversal ले कट गर्दा बन्ने यो 8 वटा एंगल्स हरुको बारेमा मैले पहिले रिलेसन लेखेको छु. C and A, which kind of angles are these? One is exterior, another is interior on the same side of the transversal. Transversal को same side मा छ, एउटा interior छ, एउटा exterior. कस्तो angles हुन्छ? एउटा interior र एउटा exterior. They are corresponding angles. So C and A are equal. C and A must be equal. So C and A are equal. What is the reason? The reason is being corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay, so the value of B, we already know B is equal to 105. B is equal to 105 degree. This is how we find the value of the C and A are equal, so A is equal to 75 degree, so C is equal to also 75 degree. This is how we find the value of A, B and C. A and 105 being straight angles, their sum is 180. A and B are being co-interior angle, their sum is 180. And C and A are the corresponding angles, their value is equal. Okay, now let us go to the example number 2. You can see in the example number 2. In example number 2 also we have AC and DG two parallel lines. AC and DG two parallel lines, and there are two type of transversal. B, you can give the name here, BF and E. You can give. BF is a transversal and BE is another transversal, and BFE forms a triangle. It forms a triangle. So here first of all we have to find out the value of X. To find the value of X, you can see ABC is a straight line. ABC is a straight line, and of course B is a point on that straight line. So 60 degree, X degree and 60 degree again. These three angles forms a straight line. A, B, C मा बनेका तीनटा एंगल्सहरु के हुन्? स्ट्रेट एंगल्सहरु हुन्. So their sum is 180 degree. 60 plus X plus 60. These three angles forms a straight line. So their sum is 180 degree. Being what? Being straight angles. Okay, so you can add the like terms. 60 and 60 are the like terms. They can be added. 120. X is variable, we cannot add. 180 degree. So you can find it. X is equal to 180 minus 120. So X is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So the value of X is 60 degree. Now to find the value again, to find the value of Y, you can see I have already told BF is a transversal, so 60 and Y are the being non-adjacent interior angle on the different side of transversal. 60 and Y are alternate angle, and the relation between the alternate angle is they are equal. So Y is equal to 60 degree. What is the reason? The reason is being alternate angles. Okay, so Y is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find out the value of Z. We can find the value of Z in two different ways. Like Z and 60 are the straight angles, so we can use the relation of straight angle also. Z and 60 are the straight angles. And again 60 and Z are co-interior. This 60 angle CBE and angle BEG. These two angles are on the interior angle, non-adjacent interior angle on the same side of this transversal, BE transversal. So they are co-interior angles. So they can be, the value of Z can be found in that two ways. So finally 60 and Z, that is Z plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. If you use this 60 and Z, you have to write the region as straight angles, and if you use 60 and this Z, you have to write the region as co-interior angles. So I am using this relation, so I am writing being straight angles. So the value of Z will be 180 minus 60, that is Z is equal to 120 degree. Okay, these three angles forms a straight angle. So 60 plus x plus 60 is 180 degree. From here we get the value of x as 60, and y and 60 are the alternate angle. Y is equal to 60, and finally 60 and z are the straight angles. So we get straight angle sum is 180. So from there we get the value of z as 120 degree. Okay, finally now let us see the example number 3, the last one from this straight line and angle. Example number 3. In this example also you can see two parallel lines here, CD and AB are two parallel lines. If needed in geometry, we can draw an imaginary line. We have to draw an imaginary line from the point E. We have to draw an imaginary line from the point E, and the line should be drawn in such a way that the line so drawn is parallel to these two parallel lines CD and AB. Let us draw an EF parallel line to CD and AB. So construction is draw EF line parallel to CD and AB, which are already parallel. CD and AB are already parallel, and one angle is formed, that is CEF. We can consider this angle as Y. Now Y and 110 on these two parallel lines, Y and 110 degree. These two angles are again the co-interior angles. Y and 110 degree are the co-interior angle, and their sum is 180 degree, being co-interior angles. Why they are co-interior angle? Because these two are the parallel lines. EC is the transversal, and Y and 110 are the interior angle on the same side of this transversal. So their sum is 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 110. So Y is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70. Now we have to find out the value of X. Finally, to find the value of X, you can see, now don't see this part of the line CD, now see EF and AB parallel line. You can see angle A and angle E, whole angle A and angle E. These are again, seeing these two parallel lines, they are also co-interior angle. यो सानोमा जस्तो, यो फिगरमा जस्तो, यसमा Y and 110 को इन्टेरियर थियो, दुईटा लाइन हेर्दा यो भित्रको एंगल्सहरु को इन्टेरियर. अहिले तल र माथिको लाइनहरुलाई हेर्ने हो भने कुन कुन एंगलको इन्टेरियर हुन्छ, 60 degree, and this whole angle, that is X and Y, whole angle will be co-interior angle, that is 60 plus the whole angle means sum of X and Y, that is X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. The reason is same, being co-interior angle. The reason is being co-interior angle, as the lines AB and EF are parallel to each other. So 60 plus X plus the value of Y we already know, 70 is equal to 180 degree, that is X is equal to 180 minus 60 plus 70 is 130. So X is equal to 50 degree. Okay, Y and 110 are co-interior angles, their sum is 180, and similarly angle A and angle E, that is 60 and XY, X plus Y, these two are co-interior angles, their sum is also 180 degree. Okay students, this much for today. Regarding your home assignment, I have already posted some home assignment on your Facebook group. Till then I am signing off. Thank you so much.